How to deactivate your Viber account. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly deactivate your Viber account. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. First, open the Viber app on your device. Once you're inside the Viber app, tap onto the three dot or the More tab at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now from there, go to the settings. Then tap on Account. And there you'll see an option called Deactivate Account at the bottom of your screen. Tap on it. Now you have to enter your phone number and then click on this Deactivate Account, and your account will be deactivated instantly. And that's it. That's how you can deactivate your Viber account. Isn't it simple? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit on that like and subscribe button, and also hit on that notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video.